Hello, today we are playing Madden Mobile in a 300k Pro Pack opening. We'll also open one Christmas pack. So let's get started.
Let's go.
Not that good. Oh,
Okay.
let's do reveal all. Got a mystery box, but that is pretty rough.
Yep.
Not gonna lie.
But we started off with not that good of a team.
Yep.
You'll
Alright.
see later we'll be a good team. Okay, Pro Packs.
Boom.
Not that good so far.
Alright.
Madden Mobile's been weird lately with not coming out with the mystery box openings
Yep.
until noon today. That was.
Oh,
We got another
mystery box. And a team of the week running back. Not too
nice.
shabby. Hopefully we can get someone else because that's really bad.
Yeah.
That is rough.
Okay. 50k in. Maybe even more. Oh! Let's go!
God.
That was a nice.
Not great stats. 93 PST, yep, that means
94 tackle.
81 zone coverage, 83 awareness, 84 speed. That's not a bad card. That definitely got us some pack with money back. I'm
Yep.
gonna hit update team, so
Okay. That's a nice opening. We'll show you our team after. Oh, not that good, but
nope.
nothing much. Hoping.
Alright. Alright, that's not awful.
It's not bad.
Could be worse.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
I don't like to start it off with a goal player because then you know what you're gonna get.
Yeah, it's always nice to have it the last.
Oh,
Oh, we got an 83 wide receiver,
update
Andre
team.
Johnson. Okay.
That is not that good.
I'm hoping for a mystery box that's not one that we do have. Now let's. Okay. Amari Cooper. He's good.
Ooh, update team.
80 safety. That's nice. I'm hoping for another. I'm calling this elite. Oh,
Great
no.
call.
Didn't work.
Alright.
Oh,
Alright. I think we're cursing ourselves, so I just think this one's gonna be really bad. Really bad pack right here.
Yeah,
No.
Oh, 84 D tackle.
I think this one's just gonna be awful. There's no chance that we get a 99 Barry Sanders.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay. Okay.
Not bad.
That's
We'll
good.
go ahead and check what which those are projected to be, the mystery box that we get.
We'll tell you after.
You can go on mutthead.com if you haven't go there, and they have some spoilers. We'll warn you if you don't want to see them.
Yeah.
You take this one.
Okay.
Seem to be
I'm
getting
feeling I'll get with the nose. Okay.
rough.
Not a good pack.
Alright, we gotta get some one or two elites, hopefully 3, but I don't think so. I mean, we gotta get one more. I know we got an 89 of Earl Roman.
We still got 100k left.
Yep.
Ooh, 87 punter.
That's not an update team because I have that exact punter, so
We could sell them for
30K
good
probably.
amount.
I
Yeah.
think. So that made up a couple packs.
Woo!
Team of the week.
It's a nice player.
That ups its value.
We could use that in a set.
That's bad.
That's not good.
All right, so
Our special
82K
teams.
left.
Okay.
Yeah.
79
Better.
cornerback.
There's
Yeah.
room for improvement there.
Something's gotta happen.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh,
Ooh.
well, the position collectibles are not that good. That is the
Yeah.
worst legend collectible you can get.
Let's see. Okay.
All
Something.
right, here you go. We gotta savor these last packs.
Yeah. Oh, two the same player. Ooh, okay.
Our defense is an 84 and our offense is an 81.
But we will change that. 78 kick return. Not bad, not good.
Not good, definitely not. All right, we gotta get one more elite.
81 fullback.
Come on, Madden Mobile. You know you want to give me an elite.
Yeah.
You're just
Oh,
gonna give me a 75 Richard Rodgers.
come on. We have 3 more packs, including this.
Trash
Okay.
trashies.
Please. 80 tight ends.
All right, last pack.
Okay, please. Oh, okay.
So a 2 gold pack.
That's our second, but let's give a
Alright.
recap of our team now.
So DeAndre Hopkins. We gotta work on that center, obviously.
Yeah.
Julius Thomas. We got 2 decent running backs. My team was an 85 overall this morning, but I sold all my players.
It's not a bad defense.
Great linebacking core, obviously.
Yeah.
Justin Houston, Luke Kuechly, and Navarro Bowman.
And then our special teams is
Yeah, very
not
good.
bad. Yeah, it's very. We just need to work on our kicker, but 77 kicker is still good.
We do have a middle linebacker elite on the
Yeah.
bench. He isn't starting.
But we got a lot of.
Yeah, we got a lot of 83 golds.
We could use those in sets.
We definitely. I have a certain sniping filter that
So
I don't want to really tell you because,
it works too well.
yeah, I don't want to ruin.
So we'll probably be back after making
First,
trophies.
see our collect